guys, I'm Gigi and welcome back to my sensitivity channel. And today we're going to be talking about interfering presence and loud noise. So, as a, as a sensitive person, I guess something a little hard for people to wrap their head around is our sensitivity to noise. And people, different sensitive people are differently sensitive to different things. Like some people, like myself, are really sensitive to loud noises, like loud laughing, loud music, just really loud unsolicited noise. It feels like we can't be with ourselves. It feels like I can't even think because like uh the frequencies of like the music or like the loudness of whatever sound is happening like disrupts something internally, mentally, physically. You might flinch or something like that. And yeah, that happens to me uh pretty often, and I'm gonna give you a couple of tips on how to deal with that. So, one thing you could do if you're feeling really sensitive to loud noise is put on headphones. Just put on your music. I highly recommend soundproof headphones. That really gets the job done. Often I'll put on some like airplane noise or like some type of like abundance noise, something like that. But headphones are usually helpful. And the second thing you could do is just don't be afraid to communicate with whoever is with you or whatever situation you're in. Like, you might have friends, that are really good friends of yours, but if they're being too loud and you're feeling irritable, like, you could always say, hey, like, you're being a little loud right now, like, can you, like, calm down a little bit, because it's bothering me. And either they'll say yes, or you can just walk away from the person or just slap them. The second thing I want to talk about is interfering presence of people. Sometimes I feel pretty sensitive to like the presence of like other people around, and just like an overwhelming feeling of like I want to be by myself. And if you ever feel like this around anyone, even if it's people you live with or like your friends, or like if you go to a party and it's like a bunch of people you don't really care for or really know, then that feeling might come up to the surface, and it's okay to just step out of the situation or communicate your needs with the people there, if you can't leave. So yeah, those are my tips on how to deal with loudness and the presence of other people. And a lot of people, might tell you, oh, like you're such a wimp or something like that because I listen to loud noise all the time and I love loud shit. I just love it when it's loud. I love that shit. And you know what? Like, fuck those people. Like, if you run differently, like if your mind, if your body, if your just system just runs differently, then that's just who we are, and that's just who you are, and nobody can tell you what you need or like what you like, what you don't like. No one can tell you how to be comfortable but yourself, or make you comfortable but yourself. So yeah, those are just some things that I wanted to share with you. Thank you for being with me. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't, if you want to learn more about how to deal with sensitivity, and I'll see you on the other side.